Transform your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving online business with this definitive guide to building your very own WordPress e-commerce store. First, we'll tackle the foundation: installing WordPress. This is your website's operating system. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation. Making this step incredibly straightforward, simply follow your host's instructions to get it up and running. Next, the powerhouse for your online store, WooCommerce. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for WooCommerce. Click Install, and then activate. This free plugin is the heart of your e-commerce functionality. Upon activation, WooCommerce will guide you through a painless setup wizard. This is where you'll enter your store's basic information, like your address, currency, and the types of products you plan to sell. Don't skip this. It sets up essential configurations. Now, let's give your store a look. Head to Appearance, then Themes, and choose a theme that complements your brand. Many themes are WooCommerce compatible, ensuring a seamless design for your products. There are fantastic free and premium options available. Time to stock your virtual shelves. Go to Products, then Add New. You'll input your product's title, a compelling description, set your price, and upload high-quality product images. Don't forget to categorize your products for easy navigation. Once your products are ready and you start making sales, your orders will appear here. You can manage your inventory, update order statuses, and keep track of customer information, all from within WooCommerce. And there you have it. You've just laid the groundwork for a fully functional e-commerce website in WordPress with a bit of customization and your unique products. You're ready to start selling online. Effectively explore the WooCommerce settings further to fine-tune shipping, payments, and other features.